exposing the hidden power of ADUs in today's housing market. Here's why families are doubling up and how you can make it work for you. From grandparents moving in to adult kids returning after college, more families are choosing to live together, under one roof. It's not just about saving money though, that's a big plus. It's about building stronger connections and supporting each other through life's changes. This trend is reshaping what people want in a home. Enter the ADU or Accessory Dwelling Unit. Think of it as a mini house, built right on your property. It could be a backyard cottage, a finished basement, or even a stylish garage conversion. Why are ADUs such a game changer? They give families privacy and independence, while keeping everyone close. You can use one as an in-law suite, a rental for extra income, or even a home office. And if you're shopping for a new home, finding one with an ADU, or space to add one just makes sense for your future plans. Plus, homes with ADUs are in high demand. They boost property value and they're flexible as your family's needs evolve. So whether you're buying your first house or planning ahead for aging parents, don't overlook the potential of an ADU. It's more than just an extra room, it's an investment in family, flexibility, and your financial future. Ready to rethink your next move? Start your home search with multi-generational living in mind. Reach out to me today to discuss financing options available to you. 708-945-0221.